Hi, we're here at NFMT 2025. We caught up with some of our exhibitors who have products and solutions for facilities professionals. Let's go check them out and see what they have to say and how they can help.
Yeah, hi, my name is Dave Cadu. I'm the Executive Director of the Communications, Cable and Connectivity Association. We're a trade association representing the limited energy industry, cable, connectivity, and our members are the predominant supply chain members, cable manufacturers, material suppliers, systems integrators, distributors. So we're representing the limited energy industry. So CCCA is, again, a group of the leading suppliers in the industry, and we try to bring good education materials about all of the major trends and innovations that are happening, the important safety considerations and performance considerations for your buildings. At the show here, we're talking about counterfeit cables and the perils of putting both data and power over these same cables, and the importance of having good, legitimate cables in your buildings. But also we advocate for regulations and codes and standards on behalf of the industry. So there are a lot of counterfeit cables available online. You go to your typical online providers and you can see not only from the price being significantly lower than the market price, but also those cables have the cheapest and non-performing materials and conductors. For example, copper is required to transmit both data and power, and the counterfeiters are using aluminum, or copper-clad aluminum as it's called. And if you think about putting the amount of power and data over those cables, you're going to generate a significant amount of heat. And that will create a significant safety problem where the cable in a fire scenario will act like a fuse and carry the fire, to different areas of the building. So it's really critical that building owners and building facility managers know that their infrastructure is certified and legitimate. And at the end of the day, who is liable for both any loss of facilities or, heaven forbid, death? The liability is with the contractor, installer, and building owner. So that's why it's important to understand how to look for what's certified and how to prevent those materials being installed in your building. So we generate a lot of good educational documents. We have videos, we have webinars, we have a lot of good documents and training tools that's all listed easily on our website, the CCCA SSOC.org website. And we ask you to take that, use those materials, those training tools in your learning activities, educate your suppliers, educate your customers, your owners, and more importantly, your purchasing managers, so that they know how to buy and what to buy. So we hope that you'll use our information in your training activities, but also ask us for more information, and we as a supply chain can then put together those documents and help you understand what's going on in the National Electrical Code or in various different activities on behalf of our limited energy integrator industry.